Morning guys, so yeah, it's winter here by us in South Africa. So today I'm going to do a day vlog for you guys, what my Tuesdays and Thursdays are like. I help out at a wellness center as well, to get the horses going. So you'll see some of my massage work being done today. Since I'm still studying, it's all case studies, so I can't say that I can fix most of the problems, but I'll go through most of them with you. Other than that, we've noticed on Storm, since we've been down a lot, we haven't really posted any videos. I've noticed on Storm yesterday that he has 2 edemas going, and it doesn't look like it's sore or inflammation or something like that, so we're going to try the massage therapy to get it drained before I call the vet out. So yeah, but I'll quickly show you guys what it looks like, because I don't know if you can see on the video very well, but here's one of them, and it's quite hard, but it's also doughy, so it's both of them. And then underneath him here you can clearly see the edema going, so he'll be on rest for a while. He's also got COPD that I have told you about, so I don't know if this may be the cause of some of that, but we've cleaned his sheath yesterday and everything, so, and he is getting some meds for this to help with the drainage, but we'll check how it goes. You'll see me massaging him later today. Okay guys, so we're at the yard here where I do most of my, okay gosh, the sun is not doing, there we go. Well, I do most of my massaging work, and I've got about 3 cases here. So I'm gonna go through a normal petrissage and effleurage with her. She's got a bit of a roach back, which I'll show to you guys now, and then from there on we will make her a bit more comfortable, as she has a neck muscle injury, so we're trying to lift the muscles fibers a bit from the neck so that she can use and bend that neck a little bit more. Okay guys, so that was Shakira. We're gonna take it very slowly with her because of a neck injury that's quite bad. It was a vet that tried to drain the wound and then actually cut a complete hole in her neck, which then made the muscles fuse together with the bone and the fibers. So we're going to do that slowly. The roachback I don't think is quite fixable at the moment. It's going to take a lot of schooling to get that out of her. But yeah, let's take the next horse.